In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to get your 4,000 watch hours fast and for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. So this is what I'm going to be talking about in this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across this page, I'm Chioma, and on this page I talk a lot about how to go on your YouTube, how to make money online, and actually how to edit your videos. So if this is your vibe, or if you love things like this, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you notify whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. And if you're among those that leave comments in the comment section of my videos, it means a lot to me. Thank you guys. You know that before you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you're here watching this video, please subscribe so at least I can hit my 1,000 subscriber, and it's really going to mean a lot to me. So let's talk about the video. You know that before you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you all will agree with me that getting this 4,000 watch hour is very hard. It is very hard, and at times it takes people like 3 years, 4 years for them to be able to get these 4,000 watch hours. And for some people, it takes them 3 days, months, and some people weeks for them to get their 4,000 watch hours. But in this video, I'm going to be telling you things that you need to start doing if you have not started doing them on your YouTube channel to be able to make you get your 4,000 watch hour faster. So the first thing you have to start doing on your YouTube channel is that you need to start adding your videos to your playlist. I am not kidding. See, what I love about playlists is the fact that when you add videos to your playlist, as someone goes to your playlist to watch your videos, when the person clicks your playlist and the videos start playing, all those your videos that are under that playlist will just be suggested, and you can see the person through that playlist, and the person might end up seeing what he or she likes and clicking the video to play. And at times when the person is watching your video, all your videos start playing, and the person might be relaxed to watch all those videos in that playlist. That is why I advise people to start putting their videos in playlists. So if you have not started putting your videos in playlists, then what are you waiting for? If you don't know how to do that, I can make a video on that. Do what? Leave it in the comment section, and I'll talk about how to create playlists and how to add videos to your playlist. See, you need to start adding videos to your playlist, because when someone starts watching your videos under that playlist, all the videos in that playlist is really going to be suggested, and the person will see more of your videos, and which the person, trust me, even if hundreds of your video comes out, there is no way that person is not going to click more than 3 videos. That's one thing I love about playlists. So please ensure and start now to start creating playlists and start adding your videos to your playlist. The second thing you start doing is consistency. I know you're going to say we have heard about this consistency a lot. What's this consistency? See, when I talk about this consistency, I'm not saying you should be burned out. I'm not saying because someone is posting every day, you run and start posting every day. Do things you can do it according to you, but please try to show up consistently. Now when I talk about consistently, try to show up every week. Now when I talk about showing up every week, I don't mean you post once a day and just avoid your channel, or you post once in a month or 2 times in a month. Later you come back and say, oh, I'm not growing, you know, I've not reached my 4,000 watch hour. How will you even reach it? You check it now. If okay, let's say you're working 9 to 5. Will you go to your office only when you want, or do you go to office once in a week? No, you go to your office the necessary day for you to go to your office. The days that you're meant to go to your office, you always show up in your office, even if you're tired, even if you have problem, even if you're going through emotional stress, breakup, or everything or anything, you will show up in your office when it's time for you to show up. So now take your YouTube channel as your office. Take your YouTube channel as your regular work that you need to show up when you want to show up. Now you can start posting like 3 times a week, 4 times a week. It's fine. If you can even post every day a week, it's fine. Nobody's going to kill you. Nobody's going to really talk bad. And see, once you start posting consistently, YouTube is actually going to know, oh, someone is here, someone is already posting consistently. Now let's move this person's channel and let's roll out our videos. And your videos is really going to be on someone's face. Even if they don't watch the first one, there's no how like 10 of your videos to be on this person's face, and this person will not even say, oh, let me just watch one of this girl's video or one of this guy's video and know why his video is actually popping out on my homepage. I know what this guy talks about. Is not possible. So please try as much as you can to be consistent. If you can't do video every day, learn how to batch create. Okay, for example, now this video you are seeing is currently being recorded around the 27th of December 2024, and trust me, when you are going to be seeing this video, you are going to be seeing this video in January 2025. I'm not kidding. That's when you're going to see this video, because I'm batch creating. I can pick out a day and say, okay, I want to create 8 channels. Now I have 2 YouTube channels. I have a TikTok. I'm trying to grow. So now my first YouTube channel has been monetized. I'm trying to get this one monetized. Now, first of all, I created videos. I've already created like 4 videos for my first YouTube channel, and this YouTube channel, I'm creating 4 videos. And after these videos, I'm still going to create more like 5 to 6 videos for my TikTok account, because I want to start posting every day on my TikTok. So you can see I am batch creating now. After creating a whole lot of videos, now this is when I'm creating all my videos. I will start editing it slowly and start bringing it out. So this is how you batch create. Pick out a day. You have Saturday, you have Sunday. Pick out a day and create your videos and start editing it gently, small, and start rolling it out. And trust me, you won't actually see this thing as much work. So that is why I said you should learn how to be consistent, learn how to show up on your YouTube channel. Now, the third way for you to get that 4,000 watch hour fast is through sharing your link. Yes, I know that some people will say, don't share your link, but see, it really helps. I'm not kidding. Now, for example, we have the Pinterest. You can create an account, create a board, share your video. See, on my first YouTube channel, there is one video I shared to Pinterest, and I have like 5,000 views from that YouTube channel. Like 4,000 was coming from Pinterest. I am not kidding. I am not kidding. They were coming from there. So you need to learn how to start sharing your link, and also go to Facebook. Yes, go to Facebook. See, do not look down on that platform. Go to Facebook. Search for your niche. Let's say you talk about makeup, you talk about skincare, you talk about tech, you talk about traveling, you talk about, I don't know what your niche is. Go to Facebook, search that your niche. When you search your niche, you are going to see pages. You are going to see groups that talks about that your niche. Enter, follow, go through those pages. Anytime you see someone asking a question that is relating to a video you have done before, run to your YouTube channel, copy your link, go back to Facebook, paste your link under that question, under that post, under the person's comment that is asking anything related to what you have done. And people are really going to click it, because that is what they're looking for. That is what they're asking. They want opinion. So you can see, and trust me, it really works. So you need to start learning. I'm not saying you should share your link to your family members, because these people can really disappoint you. I am not kidding. Share it to strangers that don't even know you, and they are really going to show up, and they are really going to like turn your page around, and you'll be wondering, what, like, how? Trust me, how? Strangers are really going to move you. So do start sharing your link to your Facebook, your Pinterest, and trust me, you are going to be seeing changes on your channel. The next way on how to get your 4,000 watch hour fast on YouTube is by live streaming. Now we have silent live streaming, which is using Restream. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, but I made video on how to set up a Restream account and also things you need to consider before you start doing your Restream, so you can check out the 2 videos. Now you can do your silent live stream, just post your videos and allow it to loop, and you will get your first. See, this one said, come closer. This one, people are getting their 4,000 watch hours like fast, like in 3 days, in 4 days. People are really hitting this milestone in days with this live streaming. Trust me, it really works. But please know your way around it. Just watch the video I posted about what you should know before doing Restream, so that you won't make mistakes. Start doing live stream, and it really helps you to get your 4,000 watch hours fast. Another way for you to get your 4,000 watch hour fast is through posting long form video. Yes, see, if you're still at this point of this video, subscribe, because you know I've already said a lot of important details that you guys need to pay for, but I don't need your money, just subscribe. That is all I need. Now, another way for you to get your 4,000 watch hours fast and for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel fast is for you to start posting long form videos. Now, when I talk about these long form videos, you can post like 10 minutes to 15 minutes upwards, because the more people stay on your YouTube channel, the more minutes it counts and the more faster you get your 4,000 watch hours. See, I'm going to be making a separate video on how to calculate how many views you need to get your 4,000 watch hours. See, if you learn how to calculate how many views you need to get your 4,000 watch hours, you are really going to learn how to step up your game. You are really going to know how to step up your game. I'm not kidding, and I'm going to make a video on that. But I think I'm needing a whiteboard, and I don't even know how to go about it. But because of this, I'm really going to do some research on classes or a school I'll go to and do the calculation for you guys. Now, as I was saying, you need to start posting long form videos, and these long form videos, make it interesting. Make sure you have value to give up, because people watch video that has value to give up. Let's say, for instance, this video is 10 minutes long, or let's say 12 minutes long, and all I just do is just sit down on my camera and look at the screen. And so guys, imagine you are not going to watch my video. You are not going to watch my video because I don't have any value to give you. So make sure you have value to give you. The value can be educative value, the value can be entertaining value, but make sure you have something to give to people that people are really going to stick around and watch your, and they will like to come back for more, and they will like, whenever they see your video on their homepage, they will click it even if they don't want to subscribe. See, I'm not joking. So people are really kind of stingy with their subscribe button. It's hard for them to click that subscribe button. So please do what to post a long form video that's educative, that gives value, and trust me, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hours fast. So this is it on how to get your 4,000 watch hours fast and for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel fast. So if you find this video helpful and you want to see more videos like this, do what to like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, because it actually means a lot to me. So thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.